Now I'm going to look at that and I see, make the determination. There's lots of glue edges here. I'm going to take some more of these off right here. If you wanted, you could leave smudge marks like that on your floor. That gives it some character. Just doing something like that gives it character. Dripping some of that on there and leaving some drips or whatever. You could do something like that in certain areas. You can do whatever you want on your floor. You are the artist. Okay? When you get done with it, this is something you can be proud of. And I see these lines. Now I could leave these lines, but I have some imperfections on certain areas, and I don't think I want to get too broad of having too many lines. And then somebody's going to say, oh yeah, you didn't clean this floor very good. Look at that. Look at all those glue lines. Well, some of the glue lines are going to look nice. Just little bits and remnants of it. You know? You think you need to wipe some of it off? Get some of it off. If it's starting to dry up on you, put some spray on there. Get cleaner. That's going to help take some of that off. You see there? I still have a little. I can run it straight. I can angle it down and just clean on there so I can put more pressure on it, let's say, instead of pushing down on there. And I can do this a lot, but then pretty soon these tangs are going to fall off on here, so I try to use these two. So I just have it like this. Use the whole brush, because right now I'm just using that. Next time I'll use that. Next time I'll use this edge. Next time I'll use that edge. Next time I'll use the flat edge. Use up that brush. I got some extra brushes too, in case this one wears out on me. I see I got lots of that line off of there. So now I look at this and I decide to myself, it's a little bit dark up in here. I need to get a little bit more of this off up here. It's a little bit more difficult up against the base. So I'm running this on the edge. I can run it straight until I hit my knuckles. When I try to calm that black down up against the wall. You're going to start feeling it after a while. Did you eat your Wheaties this morning? Hope you did. No gym for me today. There's no freebie here. There's no free lunch. You got to put in the effort, and it will show. See right there how I got it? I can continue to get a little bit more here. I can still leave. I can pick and choose what I want to do. Just want it kind of a nice random type look here. Okay. Do it until your eyes water. Yeah. Whew. See how that looks? I can continue that all the way around the room, or I can have dark splodges here and there, and not do it all. You know? Man, this stuff along the edge doesn't seem to want to come off as easily either. And when I get done, see, I'm just going to spray on there like that, and then I'll clean it right off the base. I can't do that until I wipe this off. that'll dry, and it's got stain in it. And it'll give me whatever look it's gonna do along there. I'm gonna spray that. Voila, my baseboard's clean. And if I wanted to, I could leave all the little droplets on here. Sometimes when you stain, like some people, they recommend using a Hudson sprayer, and that's what I was going to use for this floor. And every once in a while you might get some bigger ringlets, droplets that come off of your spray tip, let's say, and then you have to just leave it alone. You can't wipe it up. If you're going to use a Hudson sprayer for everything, then you got to, whatever you see, that's what you get, type thing. So see this modeling, these ringlets in here, I could leave that just like that. When it dries, that's how it's going to be. So then when I stain, it's going to be like that. But corporate decision from up above, the owner, she said, let's just go ahead and wipe it down. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wipe it down like that and move on from here. Okay, now I'm going to continue over there. And that's how I have to do this whole floor. I may have to do a little bit more work. See, once I get a certain area, I need to look at it, make a determination. Okay, do I need to do any more, or can I leave it alone? Because I want the whole floor to kind of keep the conformity, the uniformity going as best I can. Hope you learned something.